The product team is responsible for defining what we are going to build and why we are going to build it. And they're working closely with other functions, mainly, well, all functions in the organizations to drive results through the product. The main stakeholders that they work with are obviously the customers, and then the engineers, designers, data scientists, and the go-to-market team to define how we're gonna get something out to the real world, to our customers, and how that's gonna make an impact. I think the product department is great at Bitrise because we strive to create these high ownership, high accountability teams, cross-functional teams that can deliver end-to-end on their product segment, on their own team's mission. And we organize these teams in a way that define their mission themselves, and they can impact important business outcomes themselves. And we are organizing our processes and our meetings in a way as well to talk about how, when we deliver something, how that impacts the business, the customers, and so on. And that's very important because if you come here as a product manager, this is how you can feel that impact on the whole business, the whole of Bitrise, and you can see yourself in everything that's happening. So I think for a product manager joining or looking to join Bitrise, it's very important to possess this iterative mindset that is, I think, very important regardless of where a product manager works, because it's easy to get bogged down with big projects and trying to make big risky investments without really thinking about how to get there. For that, you really need to have a systemic thinking where you don't want to just reach local maximums, but also think about how your work is going to impact the system that you are trying to change or improve, because sometimes what you're trying to improve will then be a detriment to other parts of the product. So it's really important for product managers to also realize this and collaborate really well with not just their own team, but across the organization with many different types of stakeholders. And for that, it's really important to have high confidence and an ability to influence other people's opinions, because primarily the product managers are not coding, they're not designing, they're not directly impacting results, they're indirectly impacting results through other people. So they are very much like a people manager in that sense. So these soft skills are very important to the role. And also, especially in a startup environment, it's very important to adapt and embrace change, not just adapt to change, embrace change and like change over time. Because as much as the product is changing and scaling, and we have more and more customers and we have different types of customers, the role is going to change and the organization is going to change, not just the product one, but the whole Bitrise organization. And being able to cherish that and kind of go with the flow and be there to impact and improve those different stages of the company and the product is crucial. You can be the one to suggest an improvement to a process or a completely new one which we haven't done before. Then this role is definitely for you.